Hello everyone, welcome back to our paradise and exactly to our segment What Aura Loves. We often wonder what kind of gifts we should give to our loved ones, either to birthday, wedding, graduation, and now the upcoming International Women's Day or for the Mother's Day. We choose for you a variety of deals and ideas of gifts you can give to your loved ones with really cheap and affordable prices. Let's start with our first application and website, Printcious. This amazing website has really an amazing variety of products. And what makes it more unique because you can customize your gifts. For example, you can make t-shirt, mug, pillow, bag, magnets, keychains, puzzles. You can buy already prepared gifts like from the store, and also you can make the ones you love by sending them your picture or the picture of your loved ones, friend, partner, your mother. And thanks to Printcious, they give me a good promo code for all my followers, which has 70% discount, Aura 70. You can enjoy making the gift you want with a cheap price, and I really recommend this really amazing website for all my followers. Second, if she or he is a lover of electronics, ECR is the right place. You can find phones, protectives, cases, halo-lock system, and some great beauty devices that you can gift to your loved one. And SCR also accepted my request to give my dear subscribers a promo code which is RM30 that will give you 30% discount. Thank you very much for ECR. The third one is for the digital reading books lovers. If you want to give a really interesting gift for the ones who loves to read, Redshelf is one of the greatest places to find the printed digital books, especially for people with tab or iPads or phones that adore reading everywhere. It's really convenient, and also you can buy with really affordable prices. And also I have a link down below where you can get 80% discount in each sale you make from that website. Fourth, if she enjoys yoga classes, buying her an online course will be the absolute gift that will make her day. Yoga Download has more than 2,400 online yoga classes, and they add more daily. And also joining is very cheap. The program will take just $10 to join in. And also if you add the discount code that I already add you on the screen, you can get more discounts. I hope that you liked our item selection of gifts and ideas, especially for our women all over the world who are celebrating their International Day. Hope that you got really good ideas for gifts for the loved ones. And I just wanted to tell all the women that are following our channel, happy International Day, and we wish you happy and bright day. Thanks for watching and see you next time in our segment What Aura Loves. Stay blessed and see you. Bye.